Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2015 BMW X3. We just replaced the original small screen with this 12.5 inches high definition screen. As you can see, the original screen looks like this. And now, boom, it becomes very nice, alright? It's come with the 12 inches high definition screen. Let's start from the hardware specification of the system and the feature that come with the system first. This system comes with the newest Android 11. It comes with 60 GB of the RAM and 128 GB of the storage memory. This system also supports the Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, and also supports the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. This system comes with the newest version of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660. Okay, this is very fast chipset. It comes with the octa-core chipset, so you can see that's no lagging over. The whole operating system is very smooth. Just keep that in mind because this one is the newest version of the Android 11. Okay, so it will support all of the software in the market right now. And let's talk about the features that are compatible with the original vehicle. First of all, you will not lose any of the original feature after you install the system. You can see that this is the original and original iDrive, original menu right here. You can check all the car information from this menu, like the radio and even it will retain the original Bluetooth feature. If your car comes with the original camera, this system will also support the original camera as well. As you can see, because the original screen, the ratio is like 4:3, you know, so as you can see, it's like this. But you can also change the setting so the whole menu will become full screen. All right. So how to switch between the original menu and the new system? Okay, you can click on the screen, click on car right here, or maybe click on car info. It will bring you to the original screen. However, you can also use the iDrive here, hold the menu for a couple seconds. It will also bring you to the new screen. It's very straightforward and very easy to use. All right, so you can also switch between. Alright, and this is come with the offline navigation. So basically, you do not need to connect to any Wi-Fi to use the GPS. It's offline. It also comes with the traffic update as well. How to use the navigation? You just need to click on the bottom right corner here, and then click on the new row address. Then you can enter the address right here. It comes to US and Canada. However, we will also preload worldwide map based on the requirement from the customer. As you can see, it's very nice. You can come with 2D and 3D as well. To go back to the main menu, you can use the iDrive, or maybe pull down a little bit from the top. You can see the home menu right here. All right. So it's you also, after you connect, you also support the Wi-Fi. Once you connect to the Wi-Fi, then you can use most of the application right here. For example, Google Map. Google Map is the newest version of the Google Map. It will provide you with the offline feature. What that means? That means you can download the map to the unit. The unit comes with a 128 GB. So basically, you just need to download the map to the unit, and then next time when you use the Google Map, you do not need to connect to Wi-Fi. You can just use the Google Map just like normally, like the offline map. Okay, how to do that? You just need to click on the icon right here, offline map, and then you can download the map data right here. Select your own map. All right, it's very straightforward. All right. Because we already downloaded it, so we don't need to download again, you know. So after this one, you can also use the Google Chrome to browse the internet. You can also use the lock to control it. It's very nice, you can see that. And other than that, you can also use the Netflix right here. This is the Netflix. It's very nice, and you can also open the YouTube as well, of course, right? Other than that, you can also download the movie to the USB. You can also play the movie from the USB as well. For example, you can also use this one.
Career lawman always gets his guy. We're gonna need to operate outside the system.
Okay, as you can see, it's very nice. The screen resolution is very high. The screen resolution is 1970 by 720. Okay, it also comes with blue coating, anti-glare blue coating right here. You can see that's very nice. Okay, so you can eliminate over 70% of the reflective light during the sunshine. Okay, so basically it will be very convenient and very useful while you're driving under the sunshine, you know. And other than that, of course, you can download any of the application to the system as well. Okay, so you can go to download the Facebook, Instagram, anything. All right, so it's very nice. And this one also comes with the newest version of the Apple CarPlay. It supports the wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto as well. Just keep that in mind. Even the Android Auto, it will support wireless in this version. So basically, I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Apple CarPlay. First of all, you need to bring out your cell phone, go to Bluetooth, connect to the device. Right here, you can see how to search the device name. You can just go to communication, and then you can see FSC car kit, and then enter the password on your phone, 00040 pair. Once it pair, just open the ceiling right here, and then you can see that it's connecting right now. For the first time, you might take a little bit longer, and then grant authorization, use CarPlay on the cell phone. Perfect. As you can see, it's very nice, right? So this is the newest version of the Apple CarPlay. It supports the newest version of the iPhone 13 and iOS 15. So you can also use the lock to control everything right here. You can listen to the music. I'm gonna show you. Okay, as you can see, it's very nice. Okay, so basically you can also use the navigation right here. You can also check the message from the WhatsApp. You know, you can also check any message right here. All right, so it's very nice. And you can also use the split screen feature as well. Okay, the split screen feature is like this. Okay, this is the split screen feature of the Apple CarPlay. Okay, you also support the voice control. How to use the voice control of the Apple CarPlay? You just need to click on the bottom left corner. Bring me to the gas station.
Here's what I found.
Perfect. As you can see, it's very smooth, right? What's the temperature today?
The high for today will be 17 degrees, and the low will be 8.
Oh, that's pretty cool. The weather is pretty nice today. Okay, so as you can see, it's very straightforward and very user-friendly. Alright, so in order to go back to the original menu, just need to click on car. Okay, and then you can just go back to the main menu right here. Of course, you can use the iDrive without touching the screen. Okay, this is the Ceiling 5, it's the newest version. Okay, so basically it's very nice and the interface is very nice. You can also change the wallpaper. Okay, change the background of the Apple CarPlay if you don't like this color. So it's very nice. Okay, and this also support the backup camera as well. How to do that? You just need to go here and then go backup camera. Very nice, right? You also support the Active Guide 9. Okay, we installed this camera on this vehicle. This vehicle did not come with the camera originally. Okay, so if your car comes with the original camera, this system can also support it. Okay, just keep that in mind. Okay, so you can see that it's come with many features right here. All right, so it's very nice. Okay, so you can also increase the brightness of the camera. Okay, so you also support the backup sensor. Okay, the backup sensor is also way over there. Okay, you will also support everything of the original vehicle, right? And I'm gonna show you how to set up the system. Okay, so basically this system does not come with any amplifier, right? It go through the original sound system. Okay, the system go through the original auxiliary channel. So basically when you use the system, you basically just need to go to the original car. Okay, let's go back to the original menu first. Okay, so you can see that. So in order to set up the shortcut of the auxiliary, okay, because BMW, they come with a series of buttons right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Basically, you just need to set up number 1 or 2 to auxiliary, okay? The system go through the original auxiliary channel. Just go to here and then go to AUX, go to this menu, okay? And then hold the number 1. Okay, now you set the number 1, okay? So basically, once you set up the number 1, every time when you use the car, you just need to leave it on. It's very nice, okay? You can also set up the sound quality. Okay, it will come with many features of this one. Okay, you also come the equalizer. You can change the sound quality. Okay, depends on your personal preference. All right. So another thing is I want to show you the setting inside the unit. If your car comes with the original camera, then you just need to go to setting right here and go to setting and camera selection. You can choose the OEM camera over there. So you can see that you can change this one to OEM camera. All right. So it's just keep that in mind. And you can also choose the default navigation software. By default, we will preload 3 of the navigation software for you, including Waze, Google Map, and the built-in offline navigation. All right, so you can choose any of the based on your personal preference. All right, and the sign is right here. You can also change the sign quality right here. You can also increase the base, travel, and system info. You can see that this one comes with a very nice the Android 11. And this is the Android setting right here. Okay, you can see that you come with the Snapdragon 662, right? And then you can change the time over there. And other than that, you can also go to factory 1314. Okay. And then just keep that in mind. You can also change the after the installation of the original menu does not display properly on the screen, that means the original resolution is wrong. Okay, so you probably need to adjust the value of the original resolution. So basically, you just need to go to car display, and then you can just choose the different resolution size. Okay, in this car, the original car comes with a 6.5 inches. Okay, so basically, you just need to click on the 6.5 half screen. If you want a full screen, no problem. You can just change the full screen right here, and then you can see that now it becomes the full screen. Okay, so it's very nice. Okay, some people, they might because when you move to full screen, the image will stretch. Okay, will stretch a little bit. Okay, so you might not want it. Some of the people, so you can change it back to half screen. All right, so it's very nice. Another thing I would like to mention about is the dash camera in this vehicle. Okay, we also installed the dash camera right here. This camera is very nice. It's very slick. Okay, the design is very, very nice. And you can see that it's very nice. Okay, you can, this is actually the camera you can connect to our screen. Okay, and this one comes the front and back. Okay, so basically the front is 2K resolution. Of course, we also have 4K resolution, but 2K is more than enough, okay, to be honest. And the rear dash cam is 1080p. All right, so basically, so you can connect the screen, connect this one to the screen. Okay, so first of all, how to do that, you basically just need to turn off the CarPlay first. Okay, because they use Wi-Fi. All right, so how to turn off the CarPlay, you just need to bring out your phone. All right, search CarPlay. You need to go to CarPlay setup menu on the phone, search CarPlay, go here, and then the second one, CJIN Nova, you can just turn off this one. Okay, once you turn off this one, then the CarPlay connection between the phone and the unit will be broken. Okay, will be disconnect. Okay, so right now you can spare the Wi-Fi channel for the dash camera. All right, so let's try again. Let's see. Yeah, the Wi-Fi is done. All right, so basically you just need to, right now you need to go to Wi-Fi here. All right, and then turn on the Wi-Fi. And then connect to the dash camera. Once you connect to the dash cam, you can just open our application right here. All right, as you can see, and then add device right here. As you can see, it's very nice. Now we already connected. All right, so it's very nice. Okay, you can record the front and the back as well. Okay, let's talk about some of the features that come with this dash cam. Okay, so basically you can, this is the 2K resolution. It's very clear. You can also, when you pull the video to the computer, you will see that. You can also check the license plate. You can see the license plate number clearly. All right, so it's very nice. Okay, so you can just click on the setting right here, resolution. You can change the resolution right here. All right, so you can, depends on your requirement. Okay, and the video quoting format, you support the H264 or H265 format. Okay. And other than that, you can also this dash cam also support the GPS. Okay, that means when you record the video, the system can will also record the GPS coordinate at the same time. So we'll show you where did you take the video. Okay, so it also come the microphone. You will record the audio inside the cabin. Okay, of course you can turn it off. All right, so basically it just depends on your personal preference. All right, and then it also support the collision sensor, the sensor. Okay, that means you also come with the 24-hour standby mode. Okay, that means even you turn off the car when you leave the car, okay, this dash cam is still functional. Okay, you will sense the motion when some people break into the car. The recording, the dash cam will record automatically, so you don't need to worry about that one. Okay, you can also change this collision sensitivity right here. You can change to high, low, or middle. Okay, and parking monitoring. Okay, when you connect the wire, you can use this feature. Speed unit, of course, you can change the kilometer or mile. Okay, depends on your personal preference. And license plate, you can also set up your license plate right here. All right, and Wi-Fi setting, because it comes wireless. Okay, so right now we didn't connect the wire between the monitor and the screen. Okay, so you use the Wi-Fi to transfer. Okay, and this dash cam also support the 5G and 2G. Okay, so depends on your system, but our system support 5G. 5G will provide with a more stable way to connect each other. All right, and it's very nice. Okay, so if you guys have any question about the system, you can feel free to contact us, AutoTecPro. Both systems can be purchased from our website, www.autotecpro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us, AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.